What's up, everyone? Welcome to another episode of RSD Outdoors. Wanted to give you a quick recap on what the video you're about to watch. It was December 30th on this day. We had got some rain earlier in the week, and the temperatures had really plummeted down under 30 degrees for the first time consistent days. So it was a lot of dead bait fish in the water just floating. Before we even put the boat in the water, just loading the stuff in, we could see them just floating everywhere, and all throughout the front part of the lake. But the other thing we had going on this day was boat pressure. Like I told you about the freezing temperatures at night, but the days were still getting like 50 and 60 in December. So of course everybody wants to go out there and wear the line for their last time or two. But so like even, you know, close to the marina, up the lake, points, pockets, everywhere we go, is a boat there. We're out there in a John boat with a trolling motor, so I already limited on, you know, how fast you can move around the lake. So it's kind of frustrating, but did manage one. But it's a lot of clips just walking you through the day. The other thing I forgot to say is seagulls everywhere just eating all of these dead bait fish that's floating around. It's funny, I went to 2 lakes earlier this week, and I was making casts and I was catching bait fish like every cast. So it was really a big bait dive, which I was hoping for. I was waiting on, because I was waiting on the jerkbait bite to pick up. But I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch the video. This was my last bass of 2022. Still looking for my first one of 2023. But I hope you guys enjoy.
I ain't never seen them do this. Like, for real, for real. What's getting me is how they not getting eaten.
What, the bait?
Yeah, not even. I'm talking about like crappie.
It's a lot of them, like a lot of them. They getting ate. But the bass just stood up under them. Dang, can't even get the net out. Dang.
Oh, some gun wasn't big as you thought.
Let's go fish the main lake. I'm gambling for a big fish right now. I don't know about you. He's gonna try to throw it by the structure. That's why he's gonna stand up so he can get a good cast. Like I don't see that over there.
What are you gonna use?
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world.
Where you want to go? This just really made me mad. Drive all the way this darn way just to have the same thing happen.
We just fished the high ground on the way back.
Dang, man. 210. Trying to figure out, it's better water back there for this time of year because the sun back here, but that's gonna make us go it's gonna take us longer to get back.
That's why I said it's just fish back up that way.
I really did want to fish back there, but this real spot, like you gotta get to the right spot, and it take us too damn long. Know what I'm saying? You wanna throw anything?
This fly won't go somewhere.
I'll stay right here. I don't think this is, I know it's the spot over there with the rocks, the next one, but let's just throw out here real quick since ain't nobody hit it. But that next one is the actual spot. Yeah, at this point I just want to throw my damn rod a little bit.
Chill.
Shit.
It sucks because you gotta wait till the water get right for them to bite. Then you gotta get off the water.
Mm-hmm. You can tell. Why do my line just do that? This lake give me the most backlashes. Like with no wind, with barely any wind, you know what I'm saying? Barely. They supposed to be eating this jerk bait. Yeet. Can't believe you ain't throwing your Alabama rig today.
You ain't fun.
What is it to you? Huh?
I can just hop this thing around on the bottom like a dead minnow, or just swim it, throw it up in structure. I can do all types of shit. That's aggravating.
No. If that's a fish, that's a big one. It is a fish. Well, winged skunk. That's all I really wanted to do. Come out here and get a jerkbait bite. We got us one. That battery is crazy. Anyway, that's a good 2.5 cold fish on the jerkbait on this point. We done fought all day. If y'all can see boat traffic under the bridge, we done rode around all day trying to find a spot that we like where somebody ain't on it. And finally, it's funny because we were headed up to a different spot, stopped here. I'm like, I just want to throw my rod on somewhere where ain't nobody fishing. I think second cast on the jerkbait, pal. Got one. Dead bait here all day. Kept one to see the color of them. That's what it looks like, so that's why I tied that jerkbait on. And it paid off with one at least. We're gonna see if we can get some more. Here's the release. Well, let me get a quick picture of it. Alright, here's the release.
makes this such a good spot? Highway.
They come out here and then they just move up when they want to feed. And it's got wind on it. Good watercolor and grass. It's different than everything else on this lake. It's not rock, it's not wood. Look at all these birds. I don't know how good y'all can see them, but they are flying everywhere. I don't know if y'all can see that on the bank, but that is ice. That's probably why we got so many dead bait fish today. Here's a little bit closer look at all the birds. Whoa, what is, oh, he just.
Two of them right there, you see him moving on the water.
Saw that bird dive down. They are everywhere, all the way back to the back of that pocket. To the dam,